over 150 Chevys here, and Original Parts Group has been putting on car shows for over 10 years. They do this because, of course, they want to sell parts. They want to give back to their customers, but really, let's be real, they love cars.
OPGI was founded in 1982. Throughout the years, we continually graduated to bigger and better facilities. In 2008, we moved to this facility. We've been here ever since. The car show is important. It's a great opportunity for people to come out and check our place out, have some camaraderie between their fellow car enthusiasts. You know, at the end of the day, we're all enthusiasts. We all do this because we love the cars. So it's a good opportunity to get everyone together and just kind of spend a few hours hanging out, listen to some music, enjoy some cars.
Now, there's so many unique cars here, it's really hard to narrow it down to a favorite. But we're gonna try by talking to a few of the owners and their interesting cars.
It's 1966 Chevelle SS 396. It had about 62,000 original miles on it, and the original owner had passed away, so it sat in his mother's garage for 17 years. We towed it away back in 2000 and then proceeded to take it apart from top to bottom. The Chevelle's a dream car. When I was in high school, it was a car that I would just give my eye teeth to have.
Yeah, I bought this car in my senior year in high school. I had already had probably about 4 Corvairs before this one. And that was back in the VW craze, and people didn't really understand the Corvairs, and the whole Nader stigma, they're starting to become more mainstream. I think people are starting to respect them more and appreciate, you know, the innovation.
This is a 1966 Super Sport 396, and the rarity of the 3-speed is that they only made, from what I was able to research, 9 of them with manual 3-speeds on the floor.
Yeah, it's a 1971 Chevy Chevelle. I bought it in a junkyard for $1,500 and been working on it for about 14 years.
Still to come, we'll take you inside the 100,000 plus square foot OPGI warehouse, and someone's going to be winning a GM crate engine. That's later, but right now, let's get back to the show. Now, it's an all-Chevy show because that's one of the brands they sell parts to, and earlier, we had a chance to take a tour of the 100,000 plus square foot warehouse. And it's big would be an understatement.
So from A to Z, you can really put a car together out of one of our catalogs. We've got components for brakes, suspension, steering, body panels, lenses, trim, interior and exterior, all your chrome components, glass, engine components, drivetrain. There's really not much that we don't offer. Out of 85,000 SKUs that we offer, about 10 to 15% of those are actually OPGI manufactured products. You know, when a part comes in, we've got a full computer system to track each part from the time it arrives to where it gets placed on the shelf to when it is picked for an order, and throughout the entire process from initial pick to when it leaves the building. We've got a computer system with barcoding that tracks every part, so we make sure that we're as accurate as possible on our inventory and our shipping. We're shipping approximately 1,000 packages a day.
It's hard to express how massive and, quite honestly, efficient this place really is.
The thing with Chevy is that you can almost put a Chevrolet in anything, you know, and you do see Chevrolets in a lot of cars that you wouldn't expect it, but you'll find like a 32 Ford with a small block Chevy in it, and nobody will say anything. But if I pulled up in a 66 Chevelle and had a Ford engine in it, everybody would think I was crazy.
One of the things that we offer is a walk-in showroom, and it's a huge benefit for a lot of our local customers or customers that may be out of town on vacation because we're near the beach communities. It's a popular tourist spot. It's a great opportunity for people to come in, check out our parts, touch and feel, and talk to people face to face.
On behalf of PowerNation, we'd like to give the VIP selection to Sean and Lisa for their 64 Chevelle.
The grand prize for this show is a brand new crate engine direct from Chevrolet. It's a small block 350 with everything you need top to bottom. We also want to have an appreciation to the customers. We have a lot of vendors that donate products for the prize raffle.
There you go.